Today's the day. Behind me, we have my 2009 Nissan 370Z, aka the Supercar Killer, aka the Money Pit. And well, today's the day we've all been waiting for. The 370Z, it's going to its first ever rally. It's a day rally, but we are traveling about 500 to 600 miles in a single day, so pray for me. We just finished building this car, made 600 wheel horsepower, 500 torque. With that being said, down here's the turbo, and we have to get the car ready because we have about 48 hours and we have to get a lot done. Oh my goodness, that's brutal. I'm so sorry I just had to show you that. All right, oil change time. The oil changes are honestly probably the funnest thing you can do on a car. All right, nothing's leaking. There you go. Oh no, no, no. All right, MT85 come in. Just good old transmission fluid, so we're gonna go ahead and put these in. Also, he's got it cut. You already know we out here, bro. Yo, that bolt is in there hard. And here's the moment where I'm like, who would tighten a bolt this much? I did. Yeah, it was on me. Yep. This guy. Get this transmission filled up, oil change. I did go ahead and take out the front tires because the airbags in the front are leaking a little bit. Tightened up the fitting, hopefully that fixed it. But right now I'm gonna go ahead. I wanna make a little emergency bag in case anything happens. Fire extinguisher came in. This is enough to put out like a 5-inch fire. This is the smallest thing ever, but I am really happy that we actually do have a fire extinguisher. You never know when you're gonna need it, and the fact that we have it's gonna be amazing. I know some people go ahead and bolt it up right down here, which we can do, but I don't really think I wanna do that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it back there. There's nothing there. Or actually, of course, we got brand new front and rear tires. Huge thank you to Fitment Industries. They literally came so in clutch. Send the wheels out super quick so I can get them in time for the rally. Fitment Industries is literally the go-to place if you need anything regarding wheels, tires, specs, what fits on your car, what doesn't fit on your car. I use them to see what wheels will fit on my car, to order my tires, to order my wheels. Everything I go through. I will leave a link in the description and at checkout. Choose me as one of the creators you want to support. But there's an issue. It is Saturday and we're less than 24 hours from the rally. Car still has bald tires, no alignment, and I cannot go on the highway like that. Thankfully, Marcus was down to take me in. Huge thank you to him. Took us in and even recorded all this for you guys. The absolute man. Woo, we're saved.
Bro, where's Danny, man? We're so late. Or Danny, where you at, man? We're gonna be late. We're late? Dude, are you serious? Oh my gosh. It's raining so much right now. Damn, dude. Like an old
Filling up with some eat.
Bro, that's crazy. Bro, Danny leaves his car in while he puts gas, bro. What a... This dude's so dangerous right now.
And here we go. 2.5 hours. The drive actually wasn't that bad, especially with Jock. He's pretty awesome. The craziest thing though was the fog. It was actually scary at times. All right, so we're 10 minutes away. It was like a 2-hour and 40-minute 3-hour drive. I didn't even mention it, but the rally is for St. Jude's Children's Hospital. So whatever fee we pay goes to that. So it's for a really good cause and it's fun. Right now I'm half tank. I can't really find an E85 gas station that doesn't add like 20 extra minutes to the trip. I think we'll be okay for the mini rally though, but see you guys when we get there. The turnout was also very, very amazing. There was over 50 cars. Let's go, we made it. Let's go, baby. We made it, fam. Jeez. Oh my God. Look at you with the Hawaiian shirt. Of course,
I speak all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. I'm so out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line with you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas.
Danny can't even open the door, right? Come on, Danny, we gotta sit for the camera, bro. Time up.
You know, we're out here, driver's meeting.
Okay.
Jack, you're done driving though.
I'm doing. That's crazy.
I'm not driving, bro.
Yo, I'm about to stall so hard. You never get invited to these events again.
Where's the middle?
Right here.
More that way.
More what?
More that way.
Oh, like,
we're gonna have the most crooked.
bro, it's sick, bro.
Yo, that viper's sick.
You're good.
Sir, there's a cop ahead. Over. Like the car. Good. Oh, I appreciate it, bro. And just like that, we drove 2.5 hours for our first ever day rally. Let's go, baby. Yeah, it wouldn't be a Danny Z video if everything went according to plan, all fun and games. Can we go back real quick? And well, when I saw the exit, it was already too late. If you're watching right now in the video, just comment one thing for me. Rip the exit. Bro, of course I missed the exit. I hate myself, bro. Jack, you're not helping at all.
Bro, it's not letting me do it again, bro. Like, that's what I'm trying to
just click.
It's not, bro.
You're beautiful, that's for sure.
I should just stay home. I'm not going out anymore. Yeah, we really couldn't catch up. Absolutely missed the first half of the rally. Ben also missed the exit,
hey.
But he got excited like I did, and we're just speeding when the exit was like literally 5 feet away from us.
I'm holding the camera. Danny's speeding, not even following
Tell
the
him,
maps.
Jack. Tell him why we're not clowns.
You know why we had clowns? Because we were speeding.
They're literally like right over there. I'm pretty sure everybody's there right now. We're gonna be the last two pulling up. Just absolute clown noses on right now. 10% duty cycle, full 93, back to being slow. And if you thought things couldn't get worse, I had to keep hearing this throughout the whole drive.
Somebody had to miss the exit. Bro, we're the... Yo, look at this.
Get lost?
Yeah.
I don't want to talk about it.
We don't want to talk about it.
We're gonna get the next one.
Bro, look, bro, we're literally...
It's so bad.
We're the last ones here, bro. At the end of the day, this is great content.
And of course, as soon as we got there, we had to leave. But enough complaining, let's go have some fun on 93 octane. But in reality, we forgot we missed the exit, and we were having the time of our lives in this second leg of the rally.
You know what to do, Daddy? Hit that! Let's go! Woo! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Bro, I need you to pimp my ride, bro. That's nuts. I'm really enjoying this ride right now. Again, I feel like I'm in a, like I said it before, a Need for Speed game. Fast and the Furious move right now, and I'm super lit right now. That means, Daddy, what does that mean, Daddy? There you go, Daddy. Hey, let's get to it. Let's go! Woo-hoo-hoo! going crazy right now.
It looks like the car's stuck in like two-step mode. So look, whenever I try to accelerate, doesn't want to go. We think it's stuck in limp mode. I don't know why. I forgot to bring the freaking snap-on tool. That will let us read what's happening to the ECU. Alright. Let's go. Hopefully it's out of it. This sucks. So the guy in the M3 that's right ahead of us, he actually gave us a snap-on tool, but it sadly didn't work. It's absolutely broken, but thankfully we got to the spot, the second location, the final location. It's time to eat. I'm going. Dude, my car was stuck in freaking limp mode.
The shit box lanes.
Yeah, this one made it.
You made it. Ready? 2, 3.
How was it? Good?
Yeah. I'll be honest with you, I didn't drive, but this shit was a good experience, so I'm not gonna lie to you. Me and Danny, we just ordered our food. We about to grub out before we head out.
Look at this shit right here.
Oh hell yeah, we about to eat good.
Jack's hungry.
Locks, no worries.
How's that looking, Jack? Tell him.
Bro, this is why I came to the rally, bro. This is the only reason why I showed up.
What's your favorite car here?
Favorite car, the Huracan.
Huracan. Lucas, favorite car?
Favorite car, the Millennium J37.
There you go. Van, favorite car?
I'm gonna have to go with the Porsche.
Oh my, wait, this thing is sick.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Carbon seats? Dude, I want to own a GT3 RS once in my life.
It's so beautiful.
Good job. I got him on camera too, so now he knows who did it.
That R8 looks beautiful though.
F-Type SVR. Dude, this car's so sexy.
This Viper is so beautiful.
Here in my garage, we have the Viper. We got the R8. How's the R8?
guys?
Tell us
The
that little
R8
review.
is
How is it driving?
Better than the Lambo, I'd say that.
Do you see that? Do you see that kid that was late in his Z and then now it's like misfiring? Dude, so lame, bro. But here's the main car Jack and I came in. Bam!
Danny,
man. Look at
the motor right back here.
Jack, how did you afford this Lambo?
How did
What do you do
feel
for a
when
living?
you,
I scam. I mean, like that's like the
What
thing
type
to
of
do, though.
scam?
Like health insurance,
Yeah.
but to drug dealers, bro. Like
What? I ran over Roadkill 2. Ben just mentioned it.
Just went over.
So tell us a little bit about this car, because I heard it's like a legendary car.
Well, it's been around everywhere, all over the country.
Yeah.
This is the third Hot Wheels wrap we've had. 1,000 horsepower, meth injected,
Oh, really?
bigger turbos, full bolt on.
It sounds amazing. This car sounds incredible.
Oh, that's a meth tank right there.
Hey,
Ford GT.
let's go. Thank you. And how many miles does this car have?
110,000.
110,000. Wow. How long have you had it for?
About 3 years.
3 years.
And you know it's pretty cool, but it's a full bolt on plus mesh setup, and I've got 95,000 on that.
Wow.
On those mods.
Just goes to
so
show how good Porsches are, huh?
It's been amazing, man.
Oh my God, the whistle! It's so clean. I brought one too, just in case.
Bye.
See ya.
Hey. See you later, man. One more.
Too clean. Peace out, brother. Make sure you shift at 3K RPMs, right?
Guys, our first rally. Shit was dope. Lucas and Ben, appreciate y'all. After driving home for about 15 to 20 minutes, it got to a point where the car did not want to accelerate whatsoever. So we did the responsible, safe thing. Instead of continuing to drive, we pulled up to the side.
Well, honestly, I don't know if the car is gonna make it. So I got 2 Ubers on the way, like doing halfway. It's gonna be tough right now.
And then I realized I'm an absolute idiot. After talking to my tuner Eric on the phone, I realized something. I should have put the car in 50% ethanol, 50% 93 map, because I still had some ethanol in the tank. Instead, I actually put it on the full 93 map. So after finding that out, disconnect the battery. Hopefully the ECU resets. It gets out of limp mode. Let's try again.
It's like a Nissan thing. Every time we go out with the Nissan, it's happening.
So a few things could be the problem. So instead of a 50-50 map, I was on full 93 map when it was actually 50-50 mix. We think that that oil might have gotten in the map sensor. So what I'm gonna do right now, disconnect the battery real quick, let it sit so the ECU can reset, and hopefully we're good.
We're going through it.
You need that, bro. You need that. It was a little bit better, not great, but hey, we're 2 hours away from home. I want to be home already. Here we go.
Urgent care, bro.
All right, here we go. AC full blast, music all the way up. We hear nothing from the car. We'll shift at 2,000 RPMs. We just need to get home.
That's it.
We're 2 hours away. All right, so the fuel pressure says at 0, so I definitely messed up something in the fuel system. All right. I don't 100% know what the issue is. Eric said it might be something in the fuel basket. We're gonna look at it when I get home. But rally 1, Danny 0. Yep, that's.
Yeah, at least you got through.
At least we got through the rally. It just messed up after.
So guys, you know how I knew we were when the guy who's supposed to know all the answers, then he called him, then he told him what's going on. He's like, ah, shit. I was like, damn, yeah, we're definitely.
All right, y'all. So I have some bad news. Nearest driver's 2 hours away.
Seriously?
No, he's like 5 minutes away.
Oh, damn, dude.
Let's go. Now, here's the next test. Will it go up the tow truck?
Yeah, she got back, bro.
All right, I'm gonna try to get things out of the car right now. Oh, they stealing. Them boys stealing. And this is how we ended the rally.
Hey guys, can you guys write support Danny in the chat? Because he's having a hard day right now.
I'm done for today, bro.
Damn, Danny's done for today, bro.